In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a virtual class, collaborating on a project, or simply brainstorming with colleagues, the whiteboard can be a powerful tool for visual communication. So, let's dive right in. To get started, make sure you have the Zoom desktop app open on your computer. It's important to note that while Zoom is accessible from a browser, some features such as the whiteboard are best experienced through the desktop app for enhanced functionality and ease of use. Join or start a Zoom meeting as you normally would. If you are hosting, you can set up a meeting and invite participants. If you're joining someone else's meeting, simply enter the meeting ID or click on the invitation link. Once you're in the meeting, look towards the bottom of the Zoom window. You'll notice a toolbar with various options. Among these options, you'll find a green button labeled Share Screen. Click on this button and a new window will appear, offering several sharing choices. In this window, click on Documents. This may initially seem a bit counterintuitive, as you'd expect Whiteboard right away. But this step opens up a host of possibilities, including our focus today, the whiteboard. Next, select the Whiteboard option. This will ensure you're ready to start your visual collaboration. Press the Share button to proceed. Once you do this, the whiteboard interface will become visible to you and all participants in the meeting. Upon opening the whiteboard, you'll be prompted to either create a new board or choose from several pre-made templates. These templates can be a real time saver if you're looking for a structured layout to kickstart your session. If you prefer starting from scratch, creating a new board is just as easy and allows for complete creative freedom. With the whiteboard open, you'll see a toolbar running along the top or side of your whiteboard interface. This toolbar is your toolkit for modifying your board, from adding text and drawing shapes to highlighting important sections and erasing as needed. Each tool offers a way to enhance your digital canvas. Explore these tools and get comfortable with their functionality to make the most of your whiteboard experience. Once you're satisfied with your whiteboard creation, it's time to share it with others in the meeting. To do this, click Share again. This action will broadcast your whiteboard to everyone in the meeting, allowing for a collaborative and interactive session where participants can also contribute their ideas. Finally, when your brainstorming session or class discussion comes to a close, you'll need to exit the whiteboard mode. Simply click on Close at the top right corner of the window to end the screen share. This will return you to the main Zoom interface, and there you have it. A straightforward guide to using the whiteboard feature in Zoom. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy Zooming!